American President Donald Trump gives his second State of the Union speech. It was the first time he spoke to Congress since the Democratic Party won control of the House of Representatives. Indonesian police report finding almost 200 Bangladeshi men living inside a small building. A Russian court sentences Dennis Christensen, a Jehovah's Witness, to 6 years in prison for extremism. In 2017, Russia's Supreme Court ruled that the Christian group is an extremist organization. In Libya, a fungus has been killing many freshwater fish in the Wadi Kam Dam.